Assalamu alaikum ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to online learning at NorEduCom. How are you today? Is everybody ready to start? Our subject for today is phonics. The topic is about sound of E. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to pronounce the sound of E correctly, recognize some words that begin with the sound of E, match pictures that begin with the sound of E, and color the pictures that begin with the sound of E. Let's start our class. Let's say the E sound. Can you name this letter? Yes, this is letter E. This is a small E. Letter E has two sounds. Short sound E and long sound E. Let's read. Egg. 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 This is an egg. Let's read. My egg. This is my egg. Let's go to the next slide. Elephant. Elephant. This is an elephant. Let's read. My elephant. This is my elephant. Elbow. Elbow. This is an elbow. Let's read. My elbow. This is my elbow. Well done, everybody. Let's go to the next slide. Envelope. 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 This is an envelope. Let's read. My envelope. This is my envelope. Ear. Ear. This is an ear. Let's read. My ear. This is my ear. Eagle. Eagle. This is an eagle. Let's read. My eagle. This is my eagle. Let's match pictures that begin with the sound of E or E. Can you name the first picture? Yes, this is an eagle. 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 It starts with the letters E, long sound of E. Eagle. Let's match it. Can you name the next picture? Yes, this is an ear. 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 It starts with the letter E. Long sound of E. Let's match it. Can you name the next picture? Yes, this is an elbow. 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 It starts with the letter E. Short sound of air. Let's match it. Can you name this animal? Yes, this is a deer. 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 It starts with the letter D. Sound of D. Not letter E. So let's cross it out. Well done, everybody. Now let's say the air sound and then color the picture that starts with the air sound. Can you name the first picture? Yes, the first picture is an envelope. 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 Sound of air, short sound of air, letter E. So let's color it. The next picture. Can you name this animal? Yes, it's a dinosaur. 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 It starts with the letter D. Sound of D. It's not sound of air. So do not color it. That's all for today, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel for more videos, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.